So yesterday, we also spread to Wall Street when the news that there was not going to be a clear majority also.
Nous avons été arrêtés par
لإنقاذ إخواننا المستضعفين.
And so,
What does the world come to when a person returns something that don't belong to them? And all this happens.